Hi everybody, thanks for joining me for page 12 of our Altered Book Junk Journal. Today's page is pretty quick and easy. As you can see, I took a page and I cut it at an angle, and I'm going to use that as a very large tuck. Before I begin on that though, I am going to embellish the left side of this spread. I'm beginning with a card that says, "What drives you crazy?" And the whole point of that is not to get into a negative situation, but it's to encourage someone to journal about things that bother them. That way they get it out of their system, they get it out on paper, and they can hopefully begin to let go of it. What I'm doing now is adhering actually some wrapping paper, and that'll be like the background of this journaling tuck. As usual, I'm pressing down on this tacky glue just to make sure it's very smooth. Now I feel like it's ready for me to adhere this half page, if you will, to it. So I'm just going to run a stream of glue right along the bottom, and that will create the pocket. I have a box of cookies, and of course me and my son finished the cookies, but I want to use this box, a little piece of this box, because it has this cute little circle on it and it says Goody Girl, and I just think it's really cute, so I'm going to use it as some ephemera. So this piece of the box that I cut out, or the ephemera if you will, it's got some purple and red on it, and I want to tie the purple in to the opposite page. So I'm going to hole punch some holes down the side of the page, and I'm going to thread some purple ribbon through. Now I'm going to draw lines down the side of this page, and that way if somebody would like to use this space to journal on, they can. As you can see, I have added several large journaling tucks to the pocket. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this fast and easy page. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe. As always, thanks for watching. See you soon.